Belle d'Afrique is an aromatic citrus woody EDP that came out in 2009. It's extremely pleasant. It's a daytime appropriate and seasonless fragrance in my opinion, and it smells so lovely and modern, and it's so versatile. I'm willing to bet a fair bit of money that many people have declared this their signature scent. It's so easy to wear and causes no offense, and yet at the same time, it's far from boring, I think. Inspiration for this fragrance came from Ben Gorham's memories of reading his father's African travel memories. So the fragrance is an ode of sorts to Africa, how African art and music and culture has impacted European culture. Here are the notes. I think this fragrance is an example of perfect harmony, where the main notes are given space to shine. There's a soft fruitiness, the florals, slight sweetness and musky woodiness. They're all so well balanced, and they just make me at least feel happy and giddy. It's fresh, it's calming, it's soothing. At the same time, it's harmoniously creamy, woody, earthy, and incredibly comforting, actually. It's a deep and genuine feeling platonic embrace. There's no haughtiness, no pretense. It's uncomplicated and uncluttered. Your kind, anxiety-free, fresh-faced friend telling you that everything is, or is going to be, okay. It's minimalistic and unpretentious, yet very refined and classy, but better with jeans and a t-shirt type of vibe. And I really enjoy the vetiver in here. It makes it very unisex, and it blends well with the presumably more tropical African florals. Although to be honest, I never would have associated this with Africa. It's easy for me to understand why this became apparently an it girl fragrance, whatever that means, a few years back, and why it was so hyped, which I believe it was. And also why it continues to sell well. It's your skin but better type of fragrance. And I think a lot of Byredo fragrances do follow the same sort of vibe as this. But that opening, oh my goodness, is lovely. And thankfully the opening and some of the heart notes do last a few hours when you spray this liberally. But it's still very ephemeral. Maybe that's part of its beauty. I find that this is one of those fragrances that you forget you're wearing, and then you suddenly catch a whiff of yourself during some random turn you make while sitting at your desk, for example. And that whiff is enough to paste a grin on your face and pull your wrist up to your nose to get more.